Worried about aging, wrinkled skin, a sluggish metabolism, constipation, or high cholesterol? Here is a new recipe, the vegetable stir fry mix medley, easy to make and full of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, capsicums, baby spinach, peas, sweet potato. The blend of lovely healthy carbohydrates from sweet potato, the onions for their fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, the green peas for their proteins, beta carotene, fiber and vitamin C. Apart from that, the bell peppers giving not only the vitamin C and the fiber but also carotenoids and chlorophyll. Using green chili, ginger and garlic for their anti-inflammatory properties, baby spinach lends much more fiber appeal apart from alpha linoleic fatty acid. Let's put the peas and the sweet potato to boil in the pressure cooker for 2 whistles and cook on sim for 5 minutes. Cut the spinach into smaller pieces. Let's cut the capsicum, remove the seeds and the bell peppers into squares. Now, red bell peppers and capsicum give you anti-inflammatory antioxidants, vitamin C and fiber. Sweet potato, apart from giving you the complex healthy carbohydrates and fiber which will help you control your cholesterol and push your peristaltic movement in the bowels so your constipation can be cured. Heat some oil. I've used olive oil in a skillet. I put thyme, then I put these square cut onions. We put the ginger, the garlic and green chilies. I recommend a quick stir fry because then you have least possible losses of vitamins and the crunch, so vegetables become a delightful entry into any meal. Today I find that vegetables are missing in most meals and that's why we have so much of cases of high cholesterol, diabetes and sluggish metabolism in young and old. So using vegetables in this manner can lend the happiness factor to any meal. Friends, this recipe will give you more than double of your total day's vitamin C, a good amount of beta carotene, more than 4 times what you need, which will help you build on healthy hair and an anti-aging good looking skin. A high fiber with complex carbohydrates along with herbs like I have used oregano, thyme, ginger, garlic. This is a wonderfully easy to digest vegetable dish which the young and the old will love to eat and look forward to. I use steel vessels because I feel that they do not leach out any harmful chemicals into our regular cooking. Serve with say your favorite rice, say khichdi or a roti chapati or a paratha coupled with kadhi or dal or non-veg. This becomes a complete holistic balanced meal. If you like my kind of recipes where I help you understand what is the benefits that you get from nutrition from these recipes, do not forget to share, subscribe to my channel